Hey guys, it's B. Welcome to my channel. For this off-shoulder top, these are the materials you will need. First, you will need to measure the chest, then the arms, and your desired length for both the chest and the arms. These are the measurements and cutting information. Please pause to read all the details. First, we are going to measure and cut our bodice piece. You're going to measure the width and mark it across your fabric. Then we are going to measure the length. You can either cut a little piece of it or mark it. It was easier for me to cut and then rip it. Then I went back and finished measuring and cut the width of the bodice. Now you will need to measure and cut the arms. It's the same thing except you will need to cut two pieces. We're going to start with sewing the arm pieces. You will sew a zigzag stitch all around the fabric. Now you're going to attach it together. Flip the right side of the fabric in and sew a straight line on the edge. Then open it up and fold 1/4 of an inch all around. This is going to be the bottom. Then you sew all around. Then you're going to flip and do the other side. Fold 1/2 inch all around and sew, but leave an opening because we're creating a casing for the elastic to go in. Now you're going to cut your elastics. Use a safety pin to pin the edge. Loop it in and all around the arm pieces. Once you've done that, overlap the elastic about 3/4 of an inch and sew back and forth a few times. Open it up and sew a straight line to close the opening. Now we're going to do the bodice. It is similar to the arms. For the bottom part, you're going to double fold 1/4 of an inch all around, then sew Finally, you will attach the arms to the bodice. Line up the closing lines that you sewed earlier to each other and sew about half an inch a few times up and down. And voila, you are done. Please stay tuned for part 2 for the high-waisted shorties. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Like and subscribe.